Hey yo, Beard fam, it's your boy DJ Beard 868 here, and I was blessed with the opportunity to work alongside TTDA for the Chance Bigger Drift Association to help provide some of the live feedback for the judges for Drift Motion 1, as well as we're going to be doing this for the future Drift Motions in 2023. Big up to KJP Drift for blessing me with this opportunity to work alongside Farid and you guys, as well as huge shout out to Drone Guy TT. This guy is amazing at manning a drone, and he was the person responsible. He was the pilot behind it. He made the magic happen. But first, before we do that, let me see if I have the little thing to make it happen and what I feel, and then we'll get into the live action. So they started the run from somewhere around here. Let me see if I can get them clipping points going. Ooh, I missed the last clipping point. So something like that, you would be able to replay and tell that, hey, this driver missed our last clipping point, right? So that was the whole thing behind this. Before, KJ used to do it with a camera up on the stands, but I think this one is a bit better in terms of the drone because it can really get in and see that distance between the two cars, and trust me, you're gonna be in for a treat. So let's check out some of that live action.